So probably what is best if I just share my screen quickly. I've just got a little infographic here.
Love
Um,
the graphic.
yeah, gotta love it. So basically the way that it works is you've got PayProp here.
Yep.
Um, PayProp settles the payments out to your bank account on a daily basis. So that will come in as a one transaction each day. So that
Yep.
will go into your bank account. And then on Zero, you can, for those of you who don't have Zero, but you can have a bank feed that basically downloads your bank transactions on a daily basis and puts that into the software. So what that means is every statement line effectively on your bank statement will come in as a separate transaction.
Yep.
And then what my software does is it's pulling out this information out of PayProp. So the agency income and the payouts, putting it through my software, and then I'm creating accounting journals in Zero to balance out the payments that are coming into Zero. So and it comes down to all that you need to do within Zero is click OK to reconcile the data. So it gets down to a 2-second job.
So a complex process made simple at its core.
Yeah, absolutely. And that income that comes into your bank account is broken down into the relevant areas where you've earned the income. So you may receive one big lump sum into your bank account, but actually I will split that out into the months where that's earned. So on an accrual basis, to bore you with some boring accounting terms, but it's actually really important because if you're looking at the income when you want to see the income when it's generated, not just when it's received. So an example being, you can have a tenant find fee. So when the tenant move in, and that may be done this month, but then the tenant may not pay you till next month because of housing benefit or whatever. But actually, from an agency, you want to actually see, okay, we've earned this much money. We haven't necessarily received that income yet, but it's coming, and that's been earned by us this month. So whereas you could have a month where you receive a lot of money, and so it makes you look like you've had a very good month, but actually you've just been receiving debt from previous months.
Yeah.
So when you're looking at stats, you want to be able to see, actually, have we done a lot of work this month, or have we just collected a lot of debt this month? And with this integration, it actually breaks it down into the actual month where the work has been done. So based on an accrual basis, rather than just when you receive the money into your bank account.
And what's useful looking at it on that really useful infographic there is it demonstrates that what you're really doing is completing the loop, aren't you? You're filling in the blanks that weren't there previously.
Yeah, exactly. It's, there's a huge, again, as I said at the beginning, there's a huge amount of data in PayProp, and it's just trying to extract it out and, show exactly where that income is coming from, and also, break down the PayProp fees. So that's completely transparent as well for you. So, from a VAT reporting point of view, all of that is done automatically by the system.